At 69 years old, John Hanna usually spends his winters in Arizona, but unable to travel south, he's driving a taxi.
Most days I start at 5 o'clock in the morning and sometimes go till 8 o'clock at night.
That's 15 hours a day, 7 days a week. Long shifts, trying to eke out a living as fewer people demand his services.
I haven't taken many people to bars, but you know, I've taken them to the casino and restaurants.
He was worried additional restrictions would shut down businesses.
How far does it go?
Not as far as many were calling for.
Can you hear us, Premier?
Premier Scott Moe, in self-isolation awaiting a COVID test result, spoke by video conference.
We don't believe the solution is another wide-scale lockdown.
Moe resisted pressure from hundreds of medical professionals who had called for some shutdowns. Instead, he reduced capacity inside most businesses. For example, just 30 people inside casinos, down from 150. Moe insisting most businesses are operating safely.
So it would be terribly unfair, and it would have a huge negative impact to close down all of those businesses and put thousands of Saskatchewan people out of work.
The only thing suspended, team sports, blamed for fueling infections in schools and workplaces.
They were certainly more timid than I would have expected. We didn't come out of this press conference with a clear indication of what might trigger something more aggressive.
Already the virus has moved into long-term care homes, jails, and shelters. Kyle Gunderson had COVID-19.
Moe didn't even say, don't go out if you don't have to. He said, maybe don't go out if you don't have to. And I think that's the messaging that bothers me the most.
It's political, I would think.
John Hanna is relieved the new measures are not tougher. He's not worried about his health. It's his shrinking pocketbook that scares him. Bonnie Allen, CBC News, Regina.